Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So just put the tool inside the hole next to the slot and the slot will come out. Here you have to insert your SD card, and here right next to it your SIM card, and then put it into a device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is found. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also found. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.